Hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values review. This is question 44. I'm going to do them all in one kind of fell swoop here, just because these are pretty quick and easy to do here. In each case, the graph of f of x is shown. We want to sketch the graph of the absolute value. Now, what the absolute value does is anything that drops below the x-axis here, okay, and remember the x-axis is the vertical point along that vertical line there where the y-coordinates change from positive to negative. We don't want those negative results here. So what's going to happen here is this part of the graph is going to reflect up, and that's going to look something like this. I try to make it sort of symmetric. You get the idea. Down here, okay, this is a kind of a complicated function here. But notice the only place that it actually goes negative is down here. So what happens is this graph is going to look the same. Okay, I'm just going to darken it up a little bit. It's going to come down here. But as soon as we get down to here, it's going to do something different. It's going to bounce up. It's going to come up, bounce down about this. I mean, the same distance that goes down is going to go up. And then this is going to follow along the line. And away we go. And this piece will no longer exist. The next one up here, when you take the absolute value of this, it's going to change anything that becomes negative. Now, notice that this graph here doesn't actually go below the x-axis. It hits it, but that's okay. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And so there is no change to this question. That one's good the way it is. Down here, this last one, which looks like a parabola here. Notice that the parabola kind of, in essence here, starts below 0, comes up, it bounces, it goes above 0 for a little bit, and then it goes negative again. Well, these negative portions are going to reflect up. So it's going to end up looking like this. And instead of dropping down when it hits the x-axis, it's going to bounce up and go like this. So those pieces go away. And that's what your four absolute value graphs will look like.